Most flowering plants, like the ones you find in gardens or forests, use sexual reproduction to create new plants. This is a fascinating process with many steps, and it all starts with the male part of the plant. In flowering plants, the male part is called the stamen. The stamen looks a bit like a tiny antenna sticking out of the flower. At the tippy top of the stamen is the anther, which is an important player. The anther produces pollen, which is like super tiny grains that hold the male reproductive cells, kind of like plant seeds. Pollen has a big mission. It must travel to the female part of another flower. But how does it get there? It's not a hop, skip, and jump, but rather a ride on the wind or on a helpful creature called a pollinator. These pollinators are often bees, butterflies, or even birds. When they visit flowers to sip nectar, pollen from the anthers sticks to their bodies and hitchhikes to the next flower they visit. Once the pollen arrives at its destination, it's time for the magic to happen. The female part of the flower is called the pistil, and at the top of the pistil is the stigma, a sticky spot perfect for catching pollen. Once pollen sticks to the stigma, it begins a journey down a tube called the style, leading straight to the ovary where the plant's eggs, or ovules, are waiting. As the pollen reaches the ovules, fertilization occurs, where male and female cells meet and combine forces. After fertilization, seeds begin to form inside the plant, each containing the genetic information needed to grow a new plant. And that's how flowering plants use their male parts in sexual reproduction, ensuring the cycle of life continues. Isn't nature clever? So next time you see a bee buzzing happily among flowers, remember it's not just enjoying a snack. It's also helping plants make more plants.